All right, Workstation 1, this is important for you. We really need to know how many sub-assemblies you can build in 12 minutes. I pay you to work. That's the example. I pay you to work. I want you busy. So what's going to happen, I'm predicting, is in Workstation 1, and by the way, since I'm talking about Workstation 1, I'm going to move my avatar over. Whoever's sitting in this spot, you're going to build 5 airplanes. You're going to take them around the table, put them into a row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, so good. And then, if this inventory has not moved, I want you to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go this way forever. In other words, keep on building inventory. It's so important that I know how many sub-assemblies we can build before Workstation 2 completes it. So continue working for 12 minutes straight. Don't change the pace. I don't want you stressed, but just keep on going, okay? That's it for Workstation 1's comment. I haven't shown you the workflow yet, but that's just a comment.